In this video, we are going to learn how to insert employee images dynamically. So for example, here we would have Michael Smith, here we would have Jennifer Johnson. Okay, let's go back. If you have a look at my data, my database already has the images stored on my local drive. Okay, so we select a picture object. Now this is important. We first draw it inside the master data. Okay, I think this should be sufficient. You do not click on anything else except OK. You then select the picture object either from the report or from the report tree. Click on events. Now we want the picture to be loaded before the report is printed. So we select the event on before print. Double click it. Okay. You will see the code window opens and the procedure is on picture 1 before print. You could delete this and we will give you a code and copy paste this, save it. Now if you will preview it right now, you will see that the photo, because it is in master data, will be repeated multiple times. So let's preview this, and this is not what we want. Obviously we want this to be printed only once. What we are going to do is we are going to slowly drag it up, okay, into the group header, save it, preview it, and now this would be repeated only once. Hope this was helpful to you. Thank you.